Look around you. The world seems normal. People go to offices. They send emails. They sit in meetings. They cling to the belief that if they work hard and follow the rules, they will be safe. They are profoundly, tragically wrong. We are standing at ground zero of the greatest economic extinction event in human history. It is not an asteroid. It is not a nuclear war. It is silent, invisible, and accelerating code. For 200 years, the middle class was the bedrock of Western society. It was the deal we made. Get an education, get a white-collar job, buy a house, retire. That deal is officially canceled. Artificial intelligence is not just a new tool. It is a direct replacement species for the cognitive worker. The media tells you it will be fine. They tell you AI will augment you. They are lying to keep you calm while the floor is systematically removed from beneath your feet. In this video, we are not going to sugarcoat the future. We are going to look directly at the mechanics of the Great Replacement. We will explain why your degree is about to become worthless, why the middle of the economic ladder is vanishing, and what, if anything, you can do to survive the coming purge. If you are terrified of what's coming, good, you should be. Fear is the first step toward action. Smash that subscribe button. We are about to declassify the future they don't want you to see. Whenever someone raises the alarm about AI taking jobs, the experts roll their eyes. They repeat the same tired historical analogy. The Industrial Revolution didn't end work. It just changed it. Farmers became factory workers. The Luddites were wrong. This is the great comforting lie that stops you from panicking. And it is a fundamentally flawed, deeply dangerous comparison. The Industrial Revolution was a replacement of muscle. Machines were stronger than us, faster than us, and never got tired. So humans moved up the value chain. We stopped lifting heavy things and started using our brains. We retreated into the supposedly unassailable fortress of cognition. We built an entire economy based on knowledge work. Lawyers, accountants, coders, journalists, middle managers. The modern middle class is built on the ability to process information, make decisions, and create outputs based on data. Here is the terrifying reality. AI is the industrial revolution for the brain. AI is now coming for the fortress of cognition. It doesn't just calculate, it thinks. It creates, it synthesizes. When a steam shovel replaced 100 ditch diggers, those men could still use their minds. When GPT-5 replaces 100 junior legal analysts, where do those people go? Do they move up the value chain? There is no up left to go. We are the apex predator of intelligence on this planet, and we have just built something smarter than us. The historical analogy is completely broken. To rely on it is professional suicide. Let's look at the mechanics. How does this actually happen? It won't happen overnight. No boss is going to fire everyone on a Monday morning and install Skynet. It will be a slow, agonizing, almost invisible suffocation. AI does not need to be perfect to replace you. It just needs to be cheaper and faster than average. The middle class is sustained by mediocrity. Most white-collar jobs are repetitive cognitive tasks, sending follow-up emails, summarizing reports, debugging basic code, researching case law. Right now, an AI can do the work of a junior employee in seconds for fractions of a cent. Consider the coding industry. For years, we told everyone to learn to code. It was the golden ticket to the middle class. Today, AI can write, debug, and deploy code faster than any human junior developer. Why would a company hire a fresh graduate for $70,000 a year? Provide benefits, deal with sick days and human error? When an AI agent can do 80% of that job 24/7 for $20 a month? They won't. The bottom rungs of the career ladder are being sawed off. And what happens to the seniors? A senior developer armed with AI becomes a 10x developer. That means the company needs fewer seniors too. This is the mechanism, the brutal compression of the workforce. A team of 20 becomes a team of 3 using AI tools. The remaining 17 are cast out into a shrinking job market. This is happening in law, finance, media, and administration simultaneously across the board. So, what happens when you remove the middle of the economic structure? The structure collapses. We are moving toward a bifurcation of society, a return to feudalism, but with better technology. At the top, you will have the capital class. The people who own the AI models, the data centers, and the platforms. Their wealth will compound at speeds we cannot comprehend. They won't need labor to generate capital anymore. At the bottom, you will have the new serf class, the displaced cognitariats fighting over the few remaining jobs that require a physical human presence, service work, care work, manual trades, jobs that pay little because the supply of desperate labor is infinite. And in the middle, a vacuum. The American dream, the idea that anyone can work their way into a comfortable middle-class life, is predicated on the scarcity of human intelligence. When intelligence becomes abundant and cheap, the economic model breaks. We are facing a future of extreme inequality, social unrest, and a complete reordering of power. The political systems built for the 20th century are not ready for the 21st century reality of mass cognitive unemployment. If you have watched this far, you are scared. Good. Use that fear. The era of the average knowledge worker is over. You cannot save that version of yourself. It's time to kill the employee mindset before it kills you. So, what is the survival protocol? How do you avoid the great replacement? You must shift from being a generator to being a synthesizer and a handler. Stop trying to compete with AI on speed or volume. You will lose. Instead, become the expert at wielding the tool. The future belongs to the AI-augmented artisan, the lawyer who uses AI to scan thousands of documents to find the perfect precedent and then uses their uniquely human judgment to argue the case in court. The architect who uses AI to generate 1,000 permutations of a building and then uses their human taste and intuition to select and refine the perfect one. Value will shift from creating the thing to knowing what thing to create and judging the quality of the thing. You need to become a sovereign individual. Develop skills that require high-level human nuance, complex emotional intelligence, high-stakes negotiation, and physical world problem-solving. The middle class is dying. A new elite class of AI handlers is being born. Which side of history will you be on? The window for adaptation is closing fast. This technology is accelerating at a double exponential rate. What seems impossibly advanced today will be quaint in 6 months. Do not put your head in the sand. Do not hope the government will save you with universal basic income. Hope is not a strategy. The great replacement is already here. It's just not evenly distributed yet. You have been warned. We are going to be covering the specific tactical steps to become an AI-augmented sovereign individual in future videos. We are building the lifeboat while the ship sinks. If you want a seat on that boat, you need to subscribe right now. Turn on notifications. Do not miss the next briefing. Welcome to the new reality.